On the author site, you have the ability to create activity templates, or what we call base templates. The purpose of a base template is that it configures all of the activity settings for the author and may even already contain some items. This saves the author from configuring the settings themselves each time. It can be useful as the activity editor has a particularly wide range of settings. Creating a base template is incredibly simple. Open up the activity editor and configure the settings for your requirements. You can enable and disable options, override labels, and add items, including intro and outro items. When you have done this, open the Advanced tab of the editor. What you will see here is the underlying code of your activity template. Copy all of this code like so. In the author site navigation bar, hover your cursor over Activities, where you will see a drop-down menu. Click on Base Templates. This will display a list of your previously created base templates if you have any. Click on Create a new base template in the top right corner. All you need to do now is paste in the code that was copied from the editor. Just like with an item or with an activity, you can also give your base template a meaningful name, a template reference. When you want to use a base template, open the activity editor and select the template you want from the base template drop-down. Now all of the base template settings have been applied to this new activity.